Hey guys, so we're making my spring pasta salad with asparagus, bacon, and feta cheese. I love this recipe for the warmer seasons. It's just so it's pretty light. It's not a gloppy pasta salad, and I love bringing it to picnics and potlucks and parties and all that stuff. So I love to bake bacon because the idea of putting it on the stovetop, it splatters everywhere. I'm kind of not cool with that. It's really messy and kind of crazy. So I've chosen to bake bacon, and it's actually one of the most popular posts on marlameredith.com is my baked bacon, which is simply one ingredient, bacon. And I bake it at 400 degrees for about 15 to 18 minutes. It really just depends upon how crispy you like your bacon. I like my bacon very crispy, so I tend to leave it in on the longer side, about 18 minutes. Always place it in a single layer so everything bakes at the same rate. So we're gonna take our macaroni that we've rinsed with cold water to stop the cooking process. Put some of it in our bowl. And I'm just gonna toss it with some olive oil and lemon juice, just about a tablespoon of lemon juice. Half a lemon's good. I love this handy dandy press. It prevents all the pits from going in your drinks or your salads or whatever. Now, I'm just gonna give that a quick stir, and we're gonna blanch the asparagus. Let's talk a second about blanching. So in order to keep that beautiful bright green crispiness in veggies, what you do is you blanch them, and which is especially good in different salads, especially this pasta salad. So I've got this gorgeous bouquet of asparagus. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a bunch of it. I'm going to remove the tough stems there. We don't need that. It's not the tasty part. And I'm just gonna go ahead and cut some nice little, like 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch pieces. So blanching means we're gonna put our fresh vegetable in a pot of lightly salted boiling water, and we're gonna boil the vegetable, in this case asparagus, for about 1 or 2 minutes, just until you have that beautiful bright green color. And then you're gonna drain the asparagus. Then you're gonna put it immediately in a bowl full of ice cold water. So make sure you have that ice cold water at the ready in your sink next to your colander. Okay, we've got our gorgeous baked bacon, and I don't have to clean up splatters on my stovetop, which makes me really happy. I'm just gonna lay it on a paper towel lined plate to remove some of the extra grease. And we're just gonna pat that paper towel, just like so. Just remove some of the extra grease, that's all. No reason to have it. Now, we're just gonna chop some green onion, remove the tops, remove the white bit, but leave that pretty light green. Just need about a 1/2 cup of green onion or so. I love green onion though, so I tend to put in a bit more. But do whatever you like. And now, start assembling. We've got our blanched asparagus here. Just gonna throw all that in with our macaroni. And guys, when you cook this recipe, I recommend a small, like ditalini or macaroni or something, a smaller pasta. Not the teeny tiniest, but somewhere in the small side, because it just absorbs all the flavors really nicely and it makes it really easy to eat. I'm gonna go ahead and add the green onion. Okay, and then we do have that bacon and feta to put in. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a bunch of those bacon slices. I know I'm super psyched for this pasta salad today for lunch. So again, leave your bacon in as long as you want. You know, you could have even gone crispier than this if you prefer that, or not as crispy. It's just up to your preference. Okay, and now we're just gonna go ahead and put bacon in. You can use as much or as little bacon as you want. And then we've got our feta cheese here. I always like to buy the blocks of feta instead of the already crumbled. I just feel like it has a much better flavor to it. And also price-wise, you get a better value when you buy this. So then all I'm gonna do is crumble our feta in there. And then of course, we're gonna add our ranch. And I find that this is seasoned good enough with just everything that we've done so far, but you can also add some salt and pepper if you want that as well. And again, the ranch, just add as much or as little as you want. You can add to taste. We're gonna give everything a quick stir. Doesn't this look great, you guys? I'm so psyched for lunch today. And again, this is great for your potlucks, your parties, your picnics, your pool parties, the lunchbox. It's just a great all-around salad. I love it after hikes in the summer. Okay, we got that. And then if you wish, you can throw a little salt and pepper there. Maybe a little bit of fresh parsley. Perfect. And there is your spring pasta salad with asparagus, bacon, and feta cheese.